Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to back up your camera roll on Snapchat. Now if you don't know how to back up your camera roll on Snapchat, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to find about it. So let's begin with the video. Now to back up your camera roll on Snapchat, you need to simply open Snapchat on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So after doing that, you need to simply click on the Bitmoji icon at the very top left and click on the settings icon on the very top right. So after that, you need to scroll down until you see the option of memories. Now you will find the option of memories under notifications, so click on it. So as you can see, there is the option like stories and save destination. Now as you can see, the backup progress of my Snapchat has already been completed. Now you may also turn on the smart backup if you think it's good for you. So what smart backup means that memories may back up over mobile data when the Wi-Fi is unavailable. So if you do that, then the memories like this will be loaded through Snapchat, through mobile data or so on. So that's it. That's how you can back up camera roll on Snapchat. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.